This is a pumpkin pie with an oatmeal and peanut butter crust. This is the best crust for people with gluten allergies or prediabetes. It's a 4-ingredient pie crust you can put together in 5 minutes. Start with rolled oats that you turn into flour in a blender. It doesn't have to be perfect. A few rolled oats pieces that are left unground will give a better texture to the crust. Start with 1¼ cups of oat flour you just made. The next ingredient is natural peanut butter, the one you have to stir. The crunchy one is the best for this recipe. You need 1 cup of it. Add the peanut butter to the oat flour and mix until well blended together. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That is the third ingredient. If you wish, you can add a sweetener such as xylitol. It is optional. I didn't add any, and the pie crust was great because the oats taste a little bit sweet naturally. The fourth and last ingredient is 1 egg. It helps the crust be less crumbly and also improves the taste. Now the dough should be coming together. As you mix, you'll notice it is a little bit harder. This is how it should look when done. I'm using a 10-inch diameter glass pie dish here. I'm adding tablespoons of dough and building the pie shell with the spoon. It's very easy. I try to maintain a uniform thickness of the shell. The crust is done. Before baking, I'm only going to prick it with a fork. It doesn't require refrigeration before baking. You can just add the filling and bake it as you would bake any other pie. It holds well to a liquid filling, such as the pumpkin pie filling, without getting soggy. I'm showing how the baked pie turned out. It was great. The peanut butter blends well with the rest of the ingredients without being overwhelming. I decorated the pie with whipped cream, sweetened with a little bit of xylitol. You can see how easy it is to cut the first slice without making a mess. Enjoy!